Hey everybody, this is Danny with Good Guys Gardening, and I wanted to show you guys something. With the legalization of cannabis, we're allowed to grow 4 plants. And now, I know it can get super confusing on which nutrients should you use for your plants. Now, a lot of people think that you should just use water, and you could just use water, sunlight, that should be enough. However, if we're only allowed 4 plants, you want them to grow as big, as strong as possible, so you can get as much product from it as possible, right? So today I was going to show you guys this kit. This is called the Organic Craft Cannabis Kit. Perfect for 4 plants. I'm going to show you what's going on. Do a little unboxing for you guys. So, let's get this thing open here sometime today. Alrighty. So we got a nice, beautiful kit here. Oh, it's upside down. There you guys go, so you can see it. The Craft Cannabis Kit. Right. So let's open her up and see what we got going on here. Oh, look at this nice little paper. Let's see what this says. Wow, check this out, guys. So, as a first-time grower, you may not know what you need to do from day 1 to day 30. This has everything from the first few hours to week 1, 3, and on forth, and what kind of the options are as you're going along. So it's a perfect timetable, especially if you don't know what you're doing, because Google doesn't always have all the answers. We've also got a little product catalog if you wanted to see what's going on with these guys' line. So to start off, wow, this is so cool. I've never actually seen a kit come with growing tools. So let's see kind of what's inside here. Wow, so we've got a moisture meter. That is really cool. Guys, I've honestly never seen that before in a kit. And we've got some measuring cups. And I know a lot of you know that when you go and buy nutrients, you pretty much never get little measuring cups. So that's always nice to see. Moving on here, we've got our organic booster. Now this is a tea blend, a liquid compost tea. What this does is it is a carbohydrate infused booster that is rich in nutrients which stimulate the microorganisms with a chelating agent, adding a naturally occurring flavor profile. Helps bring out those oils and those terpenes. I know that was a little intense, but moving on. What do we have here? Got something called Fert Alive. Now, what this is an enzymatic formula. It promotes growth in microorganisms that provide vital support to the plant's overall vitality and the root structure. So pretty much helps them grow big and strong and helps them absorb as many nutrients from the soil as possible. Moving on, we got the Vitalive, and this is a dry compost tea. Honestly, all this does is it increases the nutrient availability to your plants, leads to a strong root system, and it accelerates bud growth and maximizes yields. So we can go from 1.5 pounds to possibly 2. Granted, those numbers are who knows, but either way, maximizes yields. Moving on, this one is pretty simple. pH up and down. I figure you guys know what that is. If your pH is too high or too low, all you need to do is to add some of this. It's just a natural adjuster. And the best part, and I think this is awesome, is it's all natural, so it's a non-burning formula. I know a lot of pHs up and down, they can burn the tips of your leaves, they can mess up root growth. You don't have to worry about this whatsoever with this kit. So as a beginner kit, this is perfect. You don't really have much to worry about. And now, the good stuff here. This is called the Organic Reactor. What this is a premium blooming top dress. So this promotes flowering for all sorts of plants, and it is highly beneficial for soil amendment, which improves soil vitality and overall plant health. I realized I was holding that sideways, but that is all that is. So you just sprinkle it on top and you're good to go. And I believe, yep, there's nothing else in there. Is everything. So again, as a first time grower, guys, if you only have 4 plants, this is honestly the way to go. I've never actually seen a kit where not only does it supply you with everything you'll need, but it's got the step-by-step what you'll need to do. It even goes on to talking about pinching, topping, stuff like that. So I would highly recommend this. As a first-time grower, this is one of the best ways you can go. So I wanted to tell you guys, my name is Danny. I'm with Good Guys Gardening. We're located at 284 Mackenzie South in Williams Lake. We've also got a website, goodguysgardening.com. You can even subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is also Good Guys Gardening. And we're always releasing tips on how to do anything gardening related. So if you guys wanted to see us, we're also on Facebook. Like I said, Good Guys Gardening. Come swing by and we'll teach you everything you need to know about starting your first cannabis grow. This is Danny with Good Guys Gardening. See you guys later.